An initial problem was erectile dysfunction. I was unable to achieve an erection. It took a long time to become aware it even existed. You know, it was a gradual deterioration. 6, 7 years ago, I was diagnosed with heart disease, and one of the first symptoms of heart disease is erectile dysfunction. So I was managing that, but anytime I was trying to engage in sexual activity, it became more of a problem and unable to achieve an erection.
The treatment options for erectile dysfunction are variable. I like to tell people that I like to start low and go high. We typically will try oral agents, the PDE5 inhibitors or phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitors. If those are not working for the patient, we can use an external vacuum erection device which manually sucks the blood into the penis. My next step would be an injection of a prostaglandin mix or trimix that is injected into the side of the penis about 10 minutes before sex. In the patients that fail those or just can't get those things done, then an inflatable penile prosthesis would be the next choice.
The first time I met with Dr. Kansas, he showed all the options. When I realized that the prescription meds weren't really working for me, and I started realizing that I wanted more intimacy in my life with my wife, that the penile implant really became real to me.
My one piece of advice to patients on erectile dysfunction is please don't be embarrassed to talk to your doctor about it, or at least go see a urologist that specializes in erectile dysfunction. There are a lot of things that can be done and you don't have to live with erectile dysfunction. Neal is currently doing wonderfully. He actually took the time to write a very nice letter to me saying how much they're enjoying his device, and he's very glad that he has finally gotten his sexual freedom back because he struggled with this for several years before we met.
Before I had the implant, when you have erectile dysfunction, you kind of live in this world of fear. There's a constant doubt. There's a constant apprehension about having sex. After the implant, it's guaranteed success. My sex life with my wife couldn't be better.